happy kiddos! Summertime is fun when we play, learn, and rest on time.
Wake up early and start your happy summer day. Good morning, sun. Let's go play. Drink lots of water and stay fresh in summer. Read fun books and learn new things every day. Eat healthy food to stay strong and active.
Play outside and enjoy the sunny summertime. Let's play outside.
Okay! I love jumping rope. Whee! Kick the ball. Yay! This is fun!
Help at home and make your family happy. It's fun to tidy up, and it makes my family so happy. Let's help at home. Make fun art and craft in your free time. It's a great way to relax and have fun. You can draw and paint whatever you like. Try it and see.
Take a short rest to feel fresh and happy. Learn something new during your summer holidays. Sleep on time and get ready for tomorrow's fun. Exercise every day to stay healthy and strong. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yee! Grow plants and enjoy gardening this summer. Yeah, let's make them grow big. Watering helps them grow strong. And digging makes room for roots. Your turn, big brother. Okay, I move here.
That's a smart move, son.
You're both doing great. This is the best family time. Yeah, let's play again. Keep your room neat and clean every day. Learn with fun and enjoy your summer holidays. Ride your bicycle and enjoy the fresh air.
Enjoy a fun picnic with yummy, healthy food.
Yeah, these apples are so crunchy, and the fruit is sweet. My sandwich is the best.
This juice is so refreshing. Draw colorful pictures and have creative fun. Look at all these beautiful colors. You can draw anything you imagine. Eat fresh fruits to stay cool and healthy. This watermelon is so juicy. And mangoes are sweet and yummy. Don't forget bananas.
Follow your summer routine and enjoy every day.
Time to study. Now let's play. Yummy food. Good night. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.